have discovered many more about ourselves. It's not just a certificate that we hold in our hands. It is a reflection of our highest form of self-love, our dedication, and our passion.
Sige,
As
sige.
we must remember that this is only the beginning. The journey has shaped us our own strength and resilience, and it's only a preview of what it is to come. And the future is full of opportunities and challenges, but it's up to us to embrace it, to keep growing, and to continue to pursue what lights us up inside. So I leave you with this. Celebrate the journey, embrace the power within you, and step forward with confidence. Let us inspire others.
Kain tayo,
Not
guys.
just dream, but to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Create it. The world is full of possibilities, and it's open to those who dream and work hard for it to be a reality. The world is ours. Go out and leave our mark. Again, congratulations to each one of us, and happy graduation. Thank you, Miss Carmen.
You finish it. Me too.
So now let's proceed to
Can I have one?
let's proceed for the declaration of certificate.
Ay, meron na pala.
Ay, sarap to.
Ron, meron na pala.
Yan ako, Ben. Ayan mo.
Ron? Yung Shanghai, sino hindi pa nakakuha?
Natikman mo to, sir? Wala kanila ko rin siya mga iso. Hindi nang gumawa, hindi nila tayo talaga yan.
Ako nagluto niyan.
Ilan? Madaling araw kapag gumising.
Bes, ako nagluto niyan, ha?
For cosmetology course, may I call on the advisor.
Ito, gawa ko to, niluto ko.
Ay,
iikot to, mahulog sa
Officer Miss Nina Saten. Also joining will
Ano
be
yan?
Philippine National Bank General Manager, Mr. Bienvenido Manda.
Tikman mo.
Thank you, Be.
Ron.
Ayaw mo? Tama na.
Wala na. Ano na lang?
Ba, hindi ka happy sa luto ko. Luto ko yan. Kain na kayo.
Sana.
Miss Rosalyn. Start with Ada Christine C. Congratulations.
Bel, bigyan mo pa ko. Yung isa na.
Ano pa? Hindi na.
Nakatumagsik yung ano eh. Nakakahiya sa people.
Alcarde Margin P.
Sorry. Sorry, bebe.
Congratulations, Asombrado Jennifer D.
Wala na yung kanin.
Marami pang baksan.
Yung kanin no?
Ikaw ah, kain.
Barcancel Derma D.
Wala na lipstick mo. Nilunok lang mo.
Mama